Dear students, today I will teach you about the oversubscription question or pro rata basis. For example, AB company invites application for 50,000 equity shares. Here equity word is mentioned, so we will write equity before shares. 5,000 equity shares of rupees 50 each in 4 installments, 15 rupees for application, 20 rupees for allotment, 11 rupees for first call and 4 rupees for second and final call respectively. Applications were received for 16,000, in which for the place of 5,000 we have received 16,000 applications. It means it's oversubscription, and applications for 1,000 shares were totally rejected. It means these are refunded. Remaining applications, it means 16,000 minus 1,000, it means 15,000 applications were issued shares on pro rata basis. It means those who have applied for 15,000 shares, we have allotted them 5,000 shares. Excess application money was adjusted against allotment and both call money, and if any surplus, then thereafter that was refunded to shareholder. Pass the necessary entries. So first we will write the format of journalizing. So journal entries in the books of AB Limited, and then we will maintain a format of journalizing date, particulars, LF, amount debit and credit. So we will write journal entries in the books of AB company. Then we will maintain entries. So first entry will be, we will maintain a rough statement for this. We have 5,000 shares and we have received 16,000 applications for that, and these calls are 15 rupees for application, 20 allotment, 11 on first call and 4 on second call. So for doing this question, we will maintain a table. So we will write application, received, and application allotted, in which those who are applied and what we have given to them. 1,000 shareholder, we have allotted nil, and the remaining in 16,000, it means 15,000 shares we have given as per pro rata basis, means 5,000 shares. So total we have allotted 5,000 and total shares we have received 16,000 shares. So as per these we will maintain journal entries. So the first journal entry for receiving share application money on 16,000 shares at the rate of rupees 15 each. So first transaction will be bank account debit to equity word is mentioned, so we will write equity share application account. We have received application money on 16,000 share, so we will write 16,000 into 15. So we have received 2,40,000 rupees on equity share application account. So we will write this 2,40,000 in share application. Now we will adjust the excess money and transferred share capital money. So the second transaction will be, first we will write equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. In share application we will write 2,40,000 rupees. Share capital, we want to issue 5,000 shares, so 5,000 into application money in actual manner rupees 15 each. So we will write 75,000 rupees in equity share capital account and to bank account. Those money we have refund, we will write to bank account. It means 1000 shares multiply 15 each. Those we have received, returned by bank account. And 2, those money we have received extra, we will transfer in calls in advance or separate names mentioned. It means share, allotment, first call, etc. So we will write to calls in advance. Those money we have received extra in share application, we can write in calls in advance or equity share allotment and first call, etc. So two calls in advance, it means 2,40,000 minus 75,000 and 15,000, and the remaining value is rupees 1,50,000. So we will write the narration will be for or being equity share application money transferred in share capital account for 5,000 shares and 1,000 shares money refunded and extra money adjusted in other calls. And now the third transaction for allotment money due is equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. We have due equity share allotment money. So now we will do the transaction 5,000 into allotment call 20 rupees each. So we will multiply 5,000 into 20. It means 1 lakh rupees. So the narration will be for or being equity share allotment money due on 5,000 shares at the rate of rupees 20 each. Now we will do receiving entry. In receiving entry, we will do bank account debit to equity share allotment account, bank account debit, and calls in advance account debit to equity share allotment account. In this allotment money 1 lakh rupees and bank account money or calls in advance money is greater than allotment money. It means it's greater than. So we will receive only 1 lakh rupees or we will adjust only 1 lakh rupees from calls in advance, and the bank money we will remove from here because we have received extra money from share allotment money. So, and we will write a narration for it for or being equity share allotment money adjusted by calls in advance money. Now we have remaining 50,000 for calls in advance. And now we will do next transaction for share first call money due. And we will write equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account. We have 5,000 shares and share first call for rupees 11 each. So we will write 50,000, 55,000 rupees, and we will do this. We can write a narration for or being equity share first call money due on 5,000 shares at the rate of 11 each. And now we will receive bank account debit, calls in advance account debit to equity share first call account. We will write here share first call money. It means 55,000 rupees. Calls in advance, we have left only 50,000 rupees and 5,000 rupees is remaining. So we will cover up it by bank account. Means shareholder will pay 5,000 rupees. And now we will we will due equity share second and final call. So we will do a transaction equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital account. We have 5,000 shares and the second and final call money is rupees 4. So 20,000 rupees we will due for equity share and final call. And now the last transaction is receiving this money. We have covered all the advance money by share first call and allotment money. Now we will receive all money by bank account. Bank account debit to equity share second and final call account 20,000 rupees for or being equity share second and final call money received. So this is the solution of this particular problem, and I think you would like this video, and if you have faced any problem then you can ask from me. Thank you.